I posted something on Instagram a few days ago and it said, I move like everything is gonna work out, because it is. And that's literally how I've been living my life for a while, especially like these last few months. But honestly, for a while, I've always been like very positive, or try to be very positive. I try to see myself in spaces that might seem impossible. I just always have that kind of mindset. Always trying to tell myself that something can happen whether or not people tell me it's possible. Don't let anybody that's thinking in a that mindset tell you that it's not possible, because it is. Because you say that it is. And once you believe something and you work towards it, it will happen. Can you imagine? Have you ever seen those pictures where somebody's trying to dig and dig and dig and they're digging for a long time and they just give up? But if they had digged 1 or 2 more times, they would have reached the crop. That is literally it. Manifestation, work towards it, keep going, do not stop. If you stop, that's where you lose. But if you keep going, that's when you win. All of the people that you see successful are the people that just never stopped. No matter how much people tell them it couldn't happen, or how much, it felt like it just wasn't for them, their intuition or their gut probably told them, like, listen, this is the path and I need to keep going. Once you feel that within you, keep going, don't stop. Your intuition will never lie to you. And I've learned that over the years, because I am a very intuitive person. I've always trusted myself every single time. I don't even ask questions. If I feel something in my spirit, I go forward. I don't question it. I just do. I've always been that way. I've always trusted myself. Always. I know that I talked about like vision board and things like that in my 2025 video, but honestly, keep visualizing it in your mind, keep seeing yourself in that space, and then write down or make a list of things that you need to do to get to that place, and then just start ticking those things off your list one by one. That's all you need to do. That's it. You'll get there, because the thing is, you're gonna put in the work to get there, and there's no way you can't get there if you don't put in the work, right? But if you keep going and you keep putting in that work, of course you're gonna get there. Like, what's stopping you from getting there? Nothing. But yourself, because you stopped way too early. But anyways, I didn't come on here to preach. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. We're in half a tree and still having family over, so we're basically having dinners and things like that. So we came to half a tree to go to a Chinese restaurant called Ming Cuisine. I've been there before, but it's honestly been a while since I've been here. I came when it kind of just opened, so we decided to have dinner there. It's upstairs right here. I don't come to half a tree often, to be honest. It's not my favorite place, but it is pretty accessible. Like, should I take the stairs? I feel like that when they renovated it, when they renovated this plaza. I'm going to walk up here. as I finished that ice cream. I know I wasn't supposed to eat it, but as soon as I finish it, like a couple minutes later, I'm coughing. I knew better. Well, I know produce prices went down. Finally. Good morning. It is Thursday and I'm having fruits for breakfast. I just posted my first sit down video on the channel and I'm just like waiting patiently to see like y'all's thoughts. Like if you like the videos and stuff, even though I know that, to be honest, I know that some of you guys would be interested in it, and it would also be for people who might not necessarily be subscribers of my channel but might be interested in the topic. But at the same time, like I wonder if I answered the questions that people had, you know what I mean? Because I went about it more of, you know, if you're thinking about solo traveling and you're kind of like anxious about it, like that kind of way. So I don't know if I answered the questions that people had. But tomorrow I'm gonna be meeting up with, her name is Christabel on Instagram. She's a content creator and she's Jamaican but she lives in, I think, the UK. We're supposed to meet up tomorrow. We're supposed to go out and get like food. I think we're going to go to Hellshire to get like fish and stuff. And it's so funny because I have family visiting, as you guys know, and I've just been like going out to eat and all of that constantly. So I just feel like I'm just eating. In all my vlogs I'm just showing you guys food. I'm sure you guys don't mind it. Mom is always trying to sneak around in the back of my video. Try not to disturb me when I'm filming. But anyways, yeah, so the next time you guys probably see me is going to be tomorrow when I'm heading up to do that. Should be fun. It's the first time that we're going to meet. She came to Jamaica last year, I think she said she comes to Jamaica every year to look for family and stuff. But it's going to be the first time that we meet. It's so funny how many people you meet through social media. Like I've met so many people or like had friendships with so many people because of social. But you guys know, even like Bacana, right? Bacana, when are you coming back? Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I finish my fruits. I have a little bit of work to do. I'm going to do that. So yeah, bye. Coming to the airport and going in the departure area, and I'm not the one leaving. It doesn't feel right and I don't like it at all. I do not recommend. I'm crying. Sad. It's a sad day. It's a very sad day today. But anyways, just dropped off family, going back to Canada. And then today I'm gonna be meeting up with Krista, as I told you guys yesterday. So that's what we're gonna get up to. There's a snowstorm right now in Canada, so we're kind of worried if he'd be able to go back. But the flight didn't get cancelled, so we think he should be fine. So yeah.
degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. 더 바랄 것도 없어. 지금 이대로면 좋아. 따스한 햇볕이 가득 담은 Sand River. The bluebirds peacefully sing along that I love you. Oh, 그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요. Oh, 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요. 반짝이는 저기 아이폰 타워.
Birds are crazy. I saw 2 crabs.
When I'm not with you,
I
all
thought I just
these
saw a
shiny
crab.
seas don't mean a thing.
There are crabs everywhere on this wall.
빛인 Avenue des Champs-Élysées. 그대와 같이 오라면 지금 I love you. Oh, 그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요.
Yeah, feed them, put them up.
Oh, 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아. Oh, 그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요.
Birds are literally fighting over the fish.
온다면 좋아. Oh, 그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요. Oh, 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요.
And you know that Hellshire is the place. And here I solve a lot of jewelry.
Oh my god.
We're doing a little bit of exploring. We're going to
Is this a new Fontana?
yeah, relatively.
How long has it been here?
Last year I think. This entire plaza. This entire plaza, I think.
The L'Oreal. You think they'd have the £10? I don't know what it costs in the UK.
Guys, you see the price of CeraVe in Fontana? This is why I buy it on Amazon, because this is $4,050 for this. And I'm pretty sure everything that I bought from CeraVe was $60 US from Amazon, I think. OMG guys, look what I just found in Fontana. I've been wanting something like this because I want to do cold brews. It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Because I saw this at first and I was thinking about getting this, but then
Do you know how much it is?
nope. We're bringing it to get scanned. $2.50. Pants are nice. Okay, y'all, I see this. This one is $2,850. This is nice, but this is just a French press. Is it the same? No, it's a different French press to the one that we saw before. But it has this thing in there. I mean, you can still put this in the fridge, you know, to make cold brew. Because I wanted something for cold brew. You can do that. These are cute. Very nice. It's nice.
This would be good for this. Maybe next time I will bring.
Hi.
These are my stats last 30 days. Top pins. That's such an old pin. I only know Natasha.
I'm not like a big pastry person, you know, but like they look nice. Let's show the people what you got.
So healthy. I've been eating a lot of yam. So I think, oh my god.
So it's justified, right?
I don't live here like you.
Something.
Yeah, probably. By the time I got into Kingston, went to the gallery, ended up being really late.
You're so mean. Did you miss me?